Brandon, your GTA Home Guy, and today I want to talk a little bit about maintenance fees. Now, a lot of people weigh maintenance fees as a hard, heavy factor in their purchase. You want to know how they affect in the life cycle of a property? Please reach out because I got a lot of tips there. But this one is specifically, don't assume that the maintenance fees all cover the same thing, especially even in the same areas. What happens is a maintenance fee is going to be based on a lot of things. Does it include heat, hydro, cable? Some have packages for cable, internet, all those sorts of things. You want to make sure you're weighing apples to apples, and if a building has a really low maintenance fee and one has a higher maintenance fee, there may be a substantial difference in what that maintenance fee covers. It doesn't necessarily give you a solid indication of what that value is. You want any more information, you want to know exactly what a building includes or doesn't include, please reach out to me at any point, because it could include windows or doors or not. Anywhere, anytime at GTA Home Guy. We'll talk then.
Reach out in any social at GTA Home Guy. I did that.